finally, guys, after a month here in Terrace, it's time to go home. So last night is our last shift for this this contract, and we're gonna technically tomorrow pa yung ano namin, our day na mag-drive na, pero we decided to drive it now so that we can makat namin yung biyahe. So we're gonna go to Prince George, sleep there, and then drive to Chilliwack tomorrow. So yun lang, bumalik na naman tayo sa pagkakataba kasi kain tayo ng kain, especially rice after that holiday. So pero okay lang yan, balik ulit tayo, focus ulit tayo. Sige, yun, good morning. What's up, guys? So it's July 10 and we're home. We're in Chilliwack. We're gonna go to Langley. We're gonna have our errands today, and then later on maybe do some gardening. We need to take care of our house. Hey, we only we don't always come home, so if you have a chance, wait kami just to do some errands and to take care of our home. So yun, that's our plan for today. So let's go, join us. I'm going to Langley, guys. Okay, so ay, ang dilim. So we're gonna go to Langley and do our errands na. Paano ipin si Roxanne, then me gonna buy some bricks. Gawa tayo ng konting maliit na sa patio natin. Later on magkakat ng grass. Yun lang. Yan, just got home, tapos time to mag cut sa grass. Bulak. I'll put some I'll put flowers. Very nice. Next is ito. Alright guys, I'm done for today. Alright guys, so it's July 11. It's my birthday. Good morning, Chilliwack. And today, dami sa Bridal Falls. So, ito na mag-spend ng sorry. Ito na mag-spend ng ng birthday ko. It's just random actually. Walang plano. Tapos kagabi, plano ko na kahapon. Punta kami ng Bridal Falls. Gusto ko lang ng in nature in my birthday. Ganito siguro pag tumatanda ka na, when you're getting older, it's no you're getting older, your fun is different na. So yeah, we're just preparing kasi we're gonna go na. Traveling na papuntang Bridal Falls. Oh my. May tirik pala to guys. Siguro mga siguro siya 45 degrees elevation. Let's see kung worth it pa yung lakad natin to the ano yung naglalakad dun. Approaching the falls. Kapoy na siya. Kapoy na siya. Tired na? It's tired already. Alright. Wow. Wow. So, hi guys, so this is the falls. That bad. Yung hike niya, it's not that bad. Malapit lang pala. Yan guys, that's the the falls. Ano makita ba? Fortunately, hindi na kami pwedeng ata umakyat na unless it's your risk. Kasi siguro dangerous, pero kaya naman. Parang ang dali-dali ng akyatin yan. Siguro for the kids. I'm not sure. Hindi ko alam kung bakit hindi na pwedeng umakyat, pero siguro nga. Siguro para sa mga bata. Kasi pag adult ka, feeling ko kaya naman. It's not that hard. I don't think so. So yun lang. So we're gonna go to our next destination later pa, in Harrison Lake. We're gonna go for a boat ride. That's what my wife wants to for my birthday. So that's how we're gonna celebrate our birthday. And yun lang. Laking ayan. Hey, we're on our way home na. Gonna go. May lamok lang guys. There's mosquito. Siyempre, kasi we're in the woods. So, maraming mosquito. And so, makisabay yung mosquito sa atin. So that's the Bridal Falls, guys. So it's only 8:28 in the morning. Just like 30 minutes, no? Just 30 minutes na ano. Kasi wala talaga. I mean, it's nice na trail, short trail for people who doesn't like trailing.
Like me.
It's a little bit stiff, but it's okay. You can do it. Like 45 degrees angle lang naman siya. So it's not that crazy na ano. Elevation. So yun, and then there's lots of chairs, so mag-camping or picnics and ganyan. Meron dito. It's nice place to go. Yun. So far wala makikitang bear. So I guess it's okay to come here. So yun lang. And then we're gonna go to the next destination later. Pero right now mag grocery. See ya. So after nga namin mag-grocery, nagpahinga lang kami ng saglit sa bahay, then we went straight to Harrison Lake. Malapit lang kasi ang lake na to sa amin, about an hour drive. Dito na din kami sumakay ng boat. It's our first time boat ride sa lake kasi usually pag nag-boat ride kami papuntang Vancouver Island. Sobrang ganda ng araw, ang ganda din ng place, sobrang lino ng tubig at malamig. Dami namin nakitang magagandang spots na pwede niyong puntahan, especially if may kayak or malit kayo na boat. So if you would like to spend day in Harrison Lake just to explore the area, ang dami mong makikita. You can go to this place, then sumakay kayo sa boat or kahit maligo lang kayo ng beach nila. Sobrang nice. So worth it talaga pumunta dito. great view here in Harrison. Saan na pinabili ang restaurant ba? Which book house? Guys, so we have arrived na sa bahay. We had supper and we had dessert. It's been a day. So guys, of course na I have my generous brother-in-law bought me this, the best. Kung ahani siya dapat big na siya, oh. You ano na, order mo sa ano, sa Suri. Promise, di ka magsisisi. It's so good. Tapos of course, my first Pokemon collectibles. The best. Badoy. Ubos na yung isa. Ubos na yung ano, other box. Dalawa kasi or two boxes yung binili niya. So yan. Ayan. Good morning guys. So today post birthday. It's July 12. Just woke up and today we're gonna isa ng bahay. That's our deal for today. Veterinary. Ang gandang kalabas, oh. Wala pang sun. So it's still early. Before, ano pa? Wala pang 6 o'clock. Yan. Maganda tayo mag-clean tayo ng bahay. Dami pang kalat. So, clean muna natin. Hello guys, so yun na. Walis na tayo. Tapos mag-map na. Tapos na mag-walis. Next naman is map. Tapos mag-arrange na tayo ng ano, bahay. Yun, tapos na tayo maglinis. Sa baba naman tayo. So So we're done cleaning the sa taas. So baba naman, tapos sa labas next. Yan lang buhay ko. Siyempre pala magdadas muna tayo. Ayan, tapos na. So, baba tayo. Tara sa baba naman para malinis natin yung baba. Siyempre, hindi naman na yung sa taas yung ano yung kailangan ilinis. Hindi, pati sa baba din. Okay guys, so tapos na siya. Napaglinis tayo. Nice. Mas mainit sa labas. Sunny sa labas. So, very nice morning. So, dami natin gawin nga today. So, ngayon naman magpapa-haircut tayo para pagbalik natin sa sa work para naman tayo nurse, hindi tayo pantambay. So yun, okay, bihis lang ako para ready na kasi in an hour yata. So yun, I'll be back. Alright guys, so I just had my haircut done. Okay ba? Pwede naman ba? Nice. Like it. So yan. Then of course, after this kinda gym na tayo or mag-cook tayo ng lunchtime naman. It's almost lunchtime na. Wait, dilim. So yun, almost lunchtime. So mag-eat lang tayo. This is my old toothbrush. So Roxy needs my toothbrush. Ganyan ka sana. Ganda ng araw today. It's so sunny. And I think it's a bit late na para mag water ng our neighbor was already cutting their grass. So yun, bigay natin to kay Madam. Hello Madam. Okay na ni. It's my toothbrush. I'm taking care of her. Ganda ng flowers niya. Ganda ng roses niya. It's really blooming this year. Wow! It's really blooming this year. Hindi. Yun nga. So, mag-change muna ako ng shorts. Kasi I need to take care of myself. To workout, ganyan. Kailangan ko mag-shave. Kung gagawin. This is our life in Chilliwack. So yan. Diba ang linis ng bahay. Nilinis ko lang talaga yan. Kasi nga, diba ang sarap mabuhay, tumira sa bahay na malinis. No? Parang, ang sarap tumira sa bahay na malinis, organized. Yan, yung parang walang kalat. Parang also give you peace of mind. Yun, maganda siya sa feeling. So yan. Kaya advice ko, kung feeling ninyo your life is a mess, start cleaning your room or your house. Mafe-feel niyo yung tawag dito, satisfaction. Mafe-feel niyo yung peace of mind afterwards. At least yung ito is control nyo. Yung things na hindi nyo control, pagdasal nyo kay God. Kasi He will make your life easier and make your life planado or plakado basta He will smoothen your life as He promised you, di ba? So yun lang, kung meron ka mga struggle sa buhay or anything na parang you don't know what's going on sa buhay mo ngayon, if you think na may pinagdadaanan ka, like if you think that you're alone or you're questioning things sa life mo, just let it go. Let God do His the movement of your life. Huwag mong i-push na masyado kasi minsan merong reason behind it. May reason si God bakit nangyayari to, for better reasons. So yun lang. So ngayon, mag-change muna ako para gawa muna ako sa garden siguro or something. Yun, tapos baka magluto kami ng food. Wala kaming pagkain eh. I need to cook. So yun lang. Alright guys, so kain muna tayo ng lunch. So our lunch, siya? Beef. So taste test tayo. Taste test. Sarap ba? Beth? Okay naman.